Haridwar, nestled in the foothills of the Himalayas, is a city unlike any other. Its name itself, meaning gateway to God, hints at its profound spiritual significance. This ancient city is one of the 7 holiest places in Hinduism. Pilgrims and travelers have flocked to its sacred ghats for centuries. They come seeking blessings and a chance to wash away their sins in the holy Ganges River. The air in Haridwar is thick with incense and the sound of chanting, creating an atmosphere of palpable devotion. Haridwar is a feast for the senses. The vibrant colors of saris worn by women, the rhythmic ringing of temple bells and the aroma of street food all mingle together, creating a symphony of sights, sounds and smells that is uniquely Indian. The city is a captivating blend of the ancient and the modern. Here, age-old traditions seamlessly coexist with the bustle of city life. Haridwar is more than just a religious destination. It is a place to connect with India's spiritual heart. The city offers a glimpse into the country's rich cultural heritage and invites visitors to embark on a journey of self-discovery. Whether you are seeking spiritual enlightenment or simply a unique travel experience, Haridwar is sure to leave a lasting impression. Haridwar is situated in the state of Uttarakhand in northern India. The city marks the point where the sacred Ganges River emerges from the Himalayas and enters the plains. This geographical setting is significant as it contributes to the city's sanctity and spiritual aura. The Shivalik Hills, an extension of the Himalayas, form a picturesque backdrop, providing a sense of tranquility and seclusion. The Ganges River, known as Ganga, Mother Ganges to Hindus, flows through the heart of Haridwar. Its waters are believed to have the power to cleanse the soul and bestow blessings. The river's presence is palpable throughout the city, serving as the lifeblood of Haridwar. The ghats, or steps leading down to the river, are a hub of activity. Pilgrims bathe in the holy waters and priests perform rituals, filling the air with a sense of devotion and reverence. The city's layout is a blend of narrow, winding lanes and wider, more modern streets. The old city, with its bustling bazaars and ancient temples, retains its traditional charm, while the newer part of Haridwar offers modern amenities and accommodation options. The city's unique blend of the old and the new adds to its allure, providing a glimpse into India's evolving cultural landscape. The Ganges River is more than just a body of water. It is the lifeline of Hindu faith. Revered as a goddess, Ganga, it is believed to have descended from heaven to purify the earth. The river's journey from its source in the Gangotri Glacier to the Bay of Bengal is a testament to its sacred status. It is worshipped and revered throughout its course. For Hindus, bathing in the Ganges is a deeply spiritual act believed to wash away sins and purify the soul. The ghats of Haridwar are a testament to this belief. They are thronged with pilgrims from all walks of life, coming to perform rituals, offer prayers, and take a dip in the holy waters. The air is thick with the scent of incense and the sound of chanting, creating an atmosphere of profound spirituality. The Ganges is also a source of sustenance for millions of people. Its fertile waters irrigate vast tracts of land, supporting agriculture and livelihoods. The river's ecological significance is immense, as it is home to a diverse range of aquatic life. However, pollution poses a serious threat to the Ganges. Efforts are underway to clean and protect the river, as its preservation is crucial for the well-being of the people and the environment. Haridwar is home to numerous temples and sacred sites, each holding immense religious significance. Har Ki Pauri, meaning footsteps of God, is the most revered ghat in the city. It is believed to be the spot where Lord Vishnu, a principal deity in Hinduism, left his footprint. Every evening as the sun sets, the ghat comes alive with the Ganga Aarti, a mesmerizing ritual of light and sound. The Mansa Devi temple, perched atop the Bilwa Parvat hill, is another popular pilgrimage site. Dedicated to goddess Mansa Devi, the temple offers panoramic views of the city and the Ganges River. Devotees tie threads to a sacred tree at the temple, making wishes and believing that the goddess will fulfill them. The climb up to the temple is arduous, but the breathtaking views and the spiritual experience make it worthwhile. The Chandi Devi temple, located on the Neel Parvat hill, is dedicated to goddess Chandi, a fierce form of goddess Durga. The temple is accessible by a cable car and offers stunning views of the surrounding landscape. Legend has it that the temple marks the spot where the goddess slew the demon king, Chandamunda. The temple is a popular destination during the Navratri festival, when devotees observe a 9-day fast and offer prayers to the goddess. Section 5. Legends etched in time. Haridwar is steeped in mythology and legend. The city finds mention in ancient Hindu scriptures like the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. According to legend, Haridwar is one of the 4 sites where drops of the elixir of immortality, Amrit, fell to earth during a celestial battle between gods and demons. These 4 sites are believed to have become the holiest places in Hinduism. They host the KanwarMela, a massive religious gathering once every 12 years. Another legend states that Lord Shiva, the destroyer god, caught the Ganges river in his matted hair. He did this to control its descent from heaven and prevent it from flooding the earth. The spot where the river is believed to have touched Shiva's hair is revered as Gangadwara, the gateway of the Ganges. This legend highlights the river's immense power and the reverence it commands. The stories and legends associated with Haridwar add to its mystique and spiritual aura. They provide a glimpse into the rich tapestry of Hindu mythology. They connect the city to the divine realm. These tales are passed down through generations. They keep the city's history and heritage alive. They continue to inspire and intrigue visitors from all over the world. Section 6. The KanwarMela, a river of humanity. Every 12 years, Haridwar hosts the KanwarMela, the largest religious gathering on earth. The festival commemorates the legend of the Amrit, the elixir of immortality. Millions of pilgrims from across the globe converge on the city to bathe in the sacred Ganges River. They believe that doing so will cleanse them of their sins and grant them salvation. The KanwarMela is a sight to behold. The city transforms into a sea of humanity. The ghats are overflowing with devotees. The air is thick with the scent of incense and the sound of chanting. The festival is a testament to the power of faith. It is a celebration of life, death, and rebirth. It is a reminder of the shared humanity that binds us all. The KanwarMela is not just a religious gathering, it is also a cultural extravaganza. It showcases the diversity of Indian traditions and beliefs. Sadhus, or holy men from different sects, gather at the festival. They display their unique practices and rituals. The festival is a melting pot of cultures and a testament to India's rich spiritual heritage. Section 7. A tapestry of faith and festivities. Haridwar is a city that lives and breathes spirituality. The sound of temple bells, the chanting of mantras, and the aroma of incense permeate the air. The city's religious calendar is packed with festivals and events. Each one offers a unique glimpse into the city's vibrant culture. The Ganga Aarti, performed every evening at Har Ki Pauri, is a sight to behold. Priests dressed in saffron robes chant hymns and offer prayers to the Ganges River. They wave lamps and incense sticks. The flickering flames reflect in the river's waters. This creates a mesmerizing spectacle that leaves a lasting impression on all who witness it. Diwali, the festival of lights, is celebrated with great fervor in Haridwar. The city is illuminated with diyas, or earthen lamps. Fireworks light up the night sky. The festival marks the victory of good over evil and light over darkness. Holi, the festival of colors, is another joyous occasion in Haridwar. People celebrate by throwing colored powder and water at each other. The streets come alive with music, dance, and laughter. Section 8. Haridwar, a city sustained by spirituality. Haridwar's economy is deeply intertwined with its religious significance. Tourism is the city's primary source of income. Millions of pilgrims and tourists visit Haridwar every year. They come to bathe in the Ganges, visit temples, and participate in religious ceremonies. The city is dotted with ashrams, guest houses, and hotels. They cater to the needs of visitors. The streets are lined with shops selling religious artifacts, souvenirs, and local handicrafts. The city's economy thrives on the influx of tourists. It provides employment opportunities for a significant portion of the population. However, the reliance on tourism also poses challenges. The city's infrastructure is often strained during peak seasons. The influx of visitors puts pressure on resources. Efforts are underway to develop sustainable tourism practices. The goal is to preserve the city's cultural heritage while ensuring the well-being of its residents. Haridwar is well connected by road, rail, and air. The nearest airport is Jolly Grant Airport in Dehradun, which is about 35 kilometers away. Haridwar Junction railway station is a major railhead. It connects the city to major cities across India. The best time to visit Haridwar is during the winter months, from October to March, when the weather is pleasant and ideal for outdoor activities. Haridwar is a city that stays with you long after you've left. It is a place where faith and spirituality are palpable. It's a city where ancient traditions coexist with modern life. Whether you are seeking spiritual solace, cultural immersion, or simply a break from the mundane, Haridwar is a destination that will captivate your senses and nourish your soul.